Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, Heartland. And today, we are here with the news that our favorite character, Ty Borden, is still present in Heartland. He is present in a way we all have never ever imagined. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. Finally, after waiting for a couple of months, our favorite Canadian TV series Heartland has arrived on our TV screens. And everybody is asking the same question, which causes so much trouble for us. The troublesome question says, is Ty Borden going to be in Heartland Season 15? Our answer is yes. He is going to be in Heartland Season 15, but in a way we have never ever imagined of. Until the end of Season 13, the longest running Canadian TV series Heartland was defined by the fans as a show which is based on Rand's life, family relations and the amazing love story of our favorite couple Ty and Amy. But a brutal shot at the end of Season 13 ruined everything, and at the very beginning of Season 14, we saw the sudden death of our favorite character Ty Borden. His sudden death completely changed the storyline as Amy lost her beloved husband, Lindy lost her father, Heartland Rance lost a dear father and a caregiver, and we, the fans, lost our favorite character. Since Ty Borden was the heart of the show from the very beginning of the series, it wasn't easy for the fans to imagine Heartland without him. And in Season 14, the series continued the show without the presence of Ty. Although Heartland is still the same show in terms of many aspects, as it still has a great script, has a very talented cast, has an amazing landscape and still has that nostalgic charm that all the viewers love. But Ty's absence from the show created an incomplete atmosphere in the series and left everyone heartbroken on and off the screen. And the fact is that he had been a major character for the show which is not possible to replace, because of which many fans did not even care for Season 14 as they used to care for the previous seasons. But now that a new season is underway, our excitement level rises up once again with a lot of expectations. We Heartland fans are also ready to give the show a second chance to prove its worth. Even though it is impossible to bring Ty Borden back from death, we believe that we deserve to watch a show that has overcome the mourning atmosphere and has come up with a new way of remembering its beloved character. The trailer of Season 15 showed us that we will get exactly what we wanted from the new season. The trailer showed us that our beloved characters, mainly Amy, is finally rising up from her sorrow and is ready to conquer the world once again. Naturally, Ty is still present in Heartland as a large part of Amy's life, despite being dead. He is not present in the form of flesh and blood but is present in everybody's heart throughout the whole season. All the Heartland family honors him in every single opportunity. The trailer showed us that Lindy, his lovely daughter, imagines him on the moon. Jack and team seem to be highly aggressive towards some people. Who could possibly be the person responsible for Ty's death? So what we think is that Heartland Season 15 is possibly coming up with a revenge story. It is still heartbreaking to see Heartland with the absence of Ty, but never mind, as we are happy to see that the Heartland family has moved on. So what do you all think of Heartland Season 15? Do you still think that the show is worth watching even after Ty Borden's death? How do you think the show will recover from such a big loss? And are you all ready to see Amy having a new love interest in Season 15? Share us your ideas in the comment section below. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.